everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have several diffuser blends for you that you can diffuse all winter long, and that includes the holiday season. I don't know about you, but during the holiday season I love thinking of and feeling the feel of flannel sheets or flannel pajamas, Christmas lights, pine trees, freshly baked cookies, the Nutcracker along with the sugar plum fairy. All those things scream Christmas to me. Some of my favorite oils I like to use during the holiday season to promote hope and giving and love, peace, joy, strength, all of the things that we think about during the Christmas season are orange and lemon. Has that citrus smell that reminds me of freshly baked cookies or the sugar plum fairy. We have oils like Idaho balsamic fir that give us that woodsy, strong feeling. We have clove and cinnamon and nutmeg, which are warm and spicy essential oils that are not only promote bacteria growth, they also create a healthier environment in your home. They're very warm and soothing essential oils. I have frankincense, which gives a great mental well-being, which is very important this time of year. We also have cedarwood, cedarwood and pine have that woodsy smell. Eucalyptus is another one. This is a great essential oil to promote upper respiratory health, and so many good ones. Peppermint, here's another one. Peppermint, not only does it smell like a candy cane, it just relaxes the tension and the anxiety that you get during the holiday season with the hustle and bustle. So we are going to diffuse all types of these oils in different blends that are going to create some of my favorite things I love about Christmas, like flannel sheets, the Nutcracker, and so forth. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for my first essential oil blend, diffuser blend, we are going to do something I like to call flannel Christmas pajamas. And it is exactly what it means. It's basically, I'm going to use oils that are comforting, soothing, and they're great for emotional support. So you are going to fill your diffuser with distilled water or filtered water to the fill line, and mine has a little red dot in there to let me know where the fill line is. And I'm going to use orange essential oil, cinnamon bark essential oil, and clove and frankincense. All of these are great oils. They're warm, inviting, great for emotional support, and they do exactly that warm flannel pajamas do. They make you feel warm and cozy. Okay, so we're going to use about 6 drops of orange essential oil. So you're going to drop that right in the diffuser. And you want to make sure all of your essential oils is 100% pure and there's no extra added fragrances or anything like that. We're going to add some cinnamon bark, and we want about 5 drops of this. And this comes out fairly quick, so be mindful of that. You're going to use 3 drops of clove, 2 and 3, and then you are going to use 2 drops of frankincense. And this is such a great oil to use during the Christmas season. Whoops. If you get a little extra drop in there, no big deal. You're going to put the top on your diffuser, and you're going to diffuse it pretty much all day, or perfect close to the holiday season, or even on Christmas Eve. Okay, so our next diffuser blend is something I call Sugar Plum Fairy, and it's a combination of peppermint, orange, cinnamon, and nutmeg. The peppermint is very uplifting, and it also relaxes you if you're very uptight and there's a lot of tension. Perfect oil. It smells like a candy cane. It's great for all the hustle and bustle that goes into the holiday season. Orange has that sweet smell that we all love. Very uplifting as well. Perfect for the holiday season. And our cinnamon and nutmeg, very warm and very spicy, so combine that sweet with that spicy makes perfect for the Sugar Plum Fairy essential oil. Okay, just like before, we're going to go ahead and fill our diffuser to the line, and then we're going to go ahead and add about 6 drops of our peppermint. And you can always modify all of these if you don't want a stronger scent in your home. 3, 4, 5, 6. You can always modify them. This is kind of to replace those plugins that you put into your walls that have a lot of synthetic smells and fragrances, or candles. They burn very soot in the air that we don't want to be breathing, especially when we're closing all our windows and doors in the winter time. And we're going to use 5 drops of the orange. And all of these diffuser blends are over on my blog, so you can just, I'll link it below. You'll go on over there and you can print up cards, recipe cards with all of these diffuser blends so you can use during the holiday season. Then we're going to add 3 drops of our cinnamon to our Sugar Plum Fairy diffuser blend, and then 2 drops of your nutmeg. And you can, like I said, you can diffuse this all afternoon. You can even diffuse it in the evening, but I highly recommend in the afternoon or at your next holiday celebration in your home, or even if you're just at home relaxing, watching Christmas movies or working on gingerbread houses. This is perfect. And like I said, all of these oils diffuse clean. So some candles burn that soot or that dirt in the air that we don't want to be breathing. And those plugins and those spray aerosol cans, this is all going to replace all of that. So your home's a lot cleaner, you're able to breathe better, it gives you a lot of health and wellness support and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and diffuse this one and move on to the third. Okay, so our third diffuser blend is something I like to call the Nutcracker. Obviously, just like the Sugar Plum Fairy, it reminds us of the holiday season. And we're using a combination of orange, lemon, which are citrus essential oils, perfect for uplifting and inspirational. And then we have something here that's called Idaho Balsamic Fir, which describes strength and power. So it's very strong and powerful. And I like combining it just like the Nutcracker, strong and powerful, and it will give you that strength you need to get through the holiday season. And then we have our clove yet again. The clove is great because it also does help kill bacteria and germs in the air. So I like to diffuse this a lot in the winter and holiday season just because it does help with that. Yet again, we're going to fill our diffuser to our fill line, and you're just going to have to check with your diffuser's instructions to see where the fill line is. And then you're going to add drops of your essential oil, and you can, like I said, you can modify this. You do not necessarily have to do what I am doing today. You can always modify. If you like a stronger scent, you can add more. If you like a lighter scent, you can add less. So I'm going to go ahead and add 5 drops of my orange. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to add 4 drops of my lemon. Whoops, this one I think is out. I'm going to have to get us a new lemon here. And then we're going to add 4 drops of our Idaho Balsamic Fir. 3, and then 2 drops of our clove. And 2, and here we go, 4 drops of lemon. That was a close call. And then you're just going to go ahead and put your lid on your diffuser and diffuse it in your home. If you want to get started with the essential oils that I'm using, I highly recommend them, or any of the diffusers I'm using. Let me know in the comments below. I will have on the blog post details on how you can get started with essential oils and bringing them into your home. Okay, so for our last diffuser blend, I call this Fresh Cut Pine. And this is a combination of pine, obviously, and the Idaho Balsamic Fir and the cedar wood. All of these oils are great oils. I love using cedar wood at night because it does help calm you, and I also use it in eyelash serum to promote growth and hair loss. So I also use a hairspray too. So if you want details on that, let me know in the comments. But anywho, we're going to go ahead and use 6 drops of the pine, 4 drops of the Idaho Balsamic Fir, and then 3 drops of the cedar wood. You want to fill your essential oil diffuser. And if you want to know about any of these diffusers, let me know. I'm sure you're hearing a lot of that in the video, but I want to make sure you guys know that these are available to you. So we're going to go ahead, and add 6 drops of the pine. I already filled this. And the pine does take a little bit of a time to come out, so you're going to have to be a little patient. It's a thicker oil from those pine trees, and if you ever cut a pine, tree, like a branch, a pine, a branch off of a tree, you'll see like some sap or some thick like type of, it looks almost like a glue come out of it, and it's thick. So we got 3, I think that was 4 actually. Give it a little tap, 5 and 6, perfect. And then we're gonna add 4 drops of this balsamic Idaho fir. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 drops of the cedarwood. This is one of my favorites because I love the woodsy smell of it. It smells like a Christmas tree, a freshly cut Christmas tree, and it promotes strength and mental clarity and mental health. So perfect during the holiday season. And then we're going to go ahead and diffuse this, and you can diffuse this all day. My diffusers usually diffuse on low for about 12 hours, and then on high for about 6 to 8 hours. So it just depends on your diffuser. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more on how to get started with essential oils, let me know in the comments below. I do have a blog post that gives you all the steps on how to get started to make your home healthier and better in the long run. Essential oils are so perfect to incorporate in your home, not only through aromatherapy by diffusing them. There's so many other things you can do with essential oils in your home. And I have a lot of information on that, so let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you want to know me to do more videos that promote healthy living, essential oil therapy, and other things. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. Make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any videos. It'll notify you whenever I upload new videos. And I hope you can come along with this journey with me because I know you're going to have fun with essential oils. Until next time, I hope you guys are having a great holiday season, and I'll see you soon. So long.